Okay, so this is your SmartTub. So this is the main screen. So on here you can adjust the temperature up and down, tell you what it's set to, and the bigger numbers are what the water temperature is now. The center one is your jets. So this jet pump 1 is a 2-speed pump on all 680 series. So it's on high jets now. Jets are off. Jets are on low speed. And then jet pump 2 is a simple on or off. This one here is your lights. So you can turn your lights on or turn your lights off. Down in the bottom corner we have monitor. So at the top are 3 different heat modes. You've got smart heat mode where you can tell it what temperature you want it to be at what time, and it will automatically make sure it's at that temperature at that time, and it should save you around 14% on your electric. If you haven't got a pattern, we recommend leaving it on ready mode, because then it's ready to go all of the time. And the other one is rest mode, where it will only heat during the filter cycles that you set. So there are 2 filter cycles. So filter cycle 1 here is due to start at 8 o'clock at night, run for 2 hours, so it's off at 10 o'clock. And then filter cycle 2, again, is due to start 8 o'clock in the morning for 2 hours, switch off at 10 o'clock in the morning. So we'll put it back in ready mode, because it's ready to go all of the time. You've got 2 temperature ranges. In high is between 26 and 40. Low is between 10 and 37. So if it won't go above 37, you know you've got it set in low temperature mode. So we'll leave it in high because we want it to go up to 40. These 3 here, so you've got clear ray, okay, filter, okay, water, okay. These are countdown timers that let you know when each of these need doing. So the clear ray is your clear ray UV lamp, needs replacing every year. Your filter is your outer part, which needs replacing every 6 months. The inner part needs replacing every 3 months. There's no timer for that, but that's what that needs doing with that. And the water needs replacing every 6 months as well. Down in the bottom corner is your energy reporting. So this tells you exactly how much energy it uses each day. So you can see there, the baseline, the peaks are where it's being used, and then the rest then is a baseline. Energy configuration down here, you can tell it when your peak rate schedule is. So if you've got more expensive electric, you basically tell it when your more expensive electric is, and it'll work around that. So go back to the home screen. So this one here is for smart sensors. If you want no setup, you can put a cover sensor, tell you when your cover's open. Water sensor, tell you when there's water in the base of the hot tub, if there's a leak or if it's been flooded. And the fill drain sensor tells you if the tub is full or empty. Go over to manage. So you've got spa lock at the top. If you put the lock on, no one can use the control panel. The schedule, you can schedule it to turn the jets on, turn the lights on, target temperatures, all sorts of different things, and tell it when to do that. The alerts, basically any trouble that the spa has will come up here. All right, networks, this is your for your SmartTub. So this is a 4G signal, and you can also add Wi-Fi into it as well. So at the top we've got Vodafone is active, and then the bottom one then it's using the Vodafone signal now instead of the Wi-Fi network. Spa care, this is just some helpful things that link up to Jacuzzi, owner's manual, various different things, features and videos. It's their terms and conditions and privacy policy, so you can ignore that because you've bought the hot tub from us. Time, so it's 9:26. 24-hour format, you can have 12-hour if you want. You can have Celsius or Fahrenheit there. And the dealer as well goes through to Jacuzzi, not us, but you've got our contact details. And then the final one over here, is shop. So this is for your cellular service. So it's $50 a year to use the SmartTub. So you got the standard at the moment. If you put the smart sensors on, it's the enhanced one, which is $63. So that is everything on there. So any questions or queries, you know where we are. Actually, there's one more thing that I've just got to go into, the account. So we got push notifications. It'll tell you when things are happening. You can change the language, change your password, delete your account. At Ease Water Care, you don't need that one. And you can also add more tubs to it if you decide to buy more than one Sundance hot tub. And there we are. That is your 680 series SmartTub.